Today we're looking at the XTU J10 Plus 2.7K battery powered doorbell camera. Some information on the box: 100% wire free, no cords, no wires, no worries. 4 megapixel HD, that's 2.7K, works with Alexa and Google. PIR motion detection, multi-angle wall mount, IP66 weatherproof, full duplex two-way audio, rechargeable battery built-in, free cloud storage. Some more information at the back. So it has a PIR motion detection and night vision detection distance up to 10 meters or 33 feet, 166-degree wide viewing angle. User manual. It's in different languages and it's well written. I'm just flicking through it slowly, so if you've lost yours you can have a look at this. So you could pause the video there if I am moving too fast. It's letting us know how to mount the doorbell. It's in troubleshooting there as well. 24/7 monitoring, some stickers. That's the doorbell, we'll come to that in a bit. So we get some mounting hardware, a sticky, Type A to Type C charge cable. This is very, very important, do not lose this. We get a chime, that's the speaker, that's the indicator there. This runs off 3 AAA batteries, they're not included. That's a really good thing because you could place this anywhere. Recently I reviewed a doorbell, it was a really good doorbell. The chime for it though, you had to plug it in. That makes things a bit difficult because where I have my router in the hallway, I only have 2 sockets there. One's taken up with the ONT box and the other one with the router, or we call it a router here in the UK. So I didn't have room to plug the chime anywhere. I had to put it in front room, and sometimes when you're in the back garden you can't hear it. The beauty about having something like this, if you're in the back garden, you could take this with you if you don't have your phone with you. Of course, when you have your phone with you, nowadays these things are really good. They push you a notification straight away. On this side we have settings, volume, and this is to select the ringtone you want. We have lens, PIR sensor, microphone, the bell button, that will light up around there. On the left side we get reset and USB-C charging port. Nothing on this side. At the bottom you'll need this. This is the security key. This angles, give it a little twist. You can mount it at different angles, which is fantastic. I have reviewed different doorbells on my channel, but I have never seen one like this. So look, you can have the doorbell at that angle, and then you just tighten that, loosen it a bit more. You can have the doorbell at this angle if you want, and then just tighten that. Or you could completely remove the security screw to get to the back of the bell. The doorbell sits on there. Where I have my thumb, we have a QR code there, speaker at the back, and that's where the doorbell were mounted on this bracket. A little sticker there. That's what it looks like from the bottom. Nothing at the top. I'll just tighten this for now, and then when I mount it I'll decide the angle. Okay, let's link it up. I'll remove this first. We need to download the Mocam app, which I have downloaded. You will need to create an account with them. Okay, so let's power this on. So I'll go to add device.
Hold the device power button to start the device.
Yeah, I've done that.
Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red.
It is already flashing red, but I will still follow the instructions. I'll push this down for 5 seconds. 2, 3. Yep, we just needed to hear the cuckoo. It's flashing, no, it's not flashing red. Yeah, it's flashing red. Now we go to next.
Select a 2.4 GHz
Allow
Wi-Fi
while-
network and enter your password.
Put my password in off camera.
Please remove all film from the lens.
Okay.
Tap next to show a QR code and let your device scan the code.
Okay.
Keep your phone 5 to 8 inches from the lens. Please wait a moment.
It's turned blue now. So, yep, my router has informed me a new device has joined. I'll just change the name. Now it's giving us some installation
Put
tips.
camera and phone at the place of camera installation. Press next to enter network diagnostic.
Wi-Fi signal strong. And there, we are connected. That was so simple, straightforward. Now I need to go grab some batteries to link the chime up. I'll be back in a second. Push the settings button. It started blinking red. Let's push the doorbell button. There we go. That was really simple. So it's letting me know on the phone now that someone's at the door. End the call, answer the call, or leave a message. Let's have a listen. That is definitely an old Nokia tune. Let me know in the comment section what you think. That's the standard doorbell. Doorbell. You can control the volume. I forgot to mention, you get 2 years warranty with this. When you pair this up, you need Wi-Fi. After that, you do not need Wi-Fi. You could run this on your 4G data. So if you're outside, you need mobile data and someone rings on the doorbell, you will get notified. Or if it picks up motion, you will also get notified as well. Let's have a quick look at the app. If I tap on the screen, we have the speaker there. I have that muted because I'm too close to the doorbell. I'll get feedback. That will turn the screen around. Click on this. You could select the definition. So at the moment it's on standard definition. You can select QHD, which is 2.7K. Screenshot, intercom. You need to give that permission first. That's when you could speak to the other person. Original sound. You could select the intercom sound as well. Uncle. I'm laughing because my email is unclep2017@gmail.com. So record. So if you see something, as soon as you get if you get a motion, you see there's someone at your door that shouldn't be there, you could start recording. It will save it within the app. Motion detection. Let's click on this. So it's off by default. I'm leaving it off for now because when I go to mount the doorbell, I will start getting loads of notifications. Siren. We have album. So any recording or video you take will be saved in here. That's under live. Let's go to cloud. Obviously there's no recording at the moment. Let's click on this icon at the top. He is giving us the name, signal strength, battery, everything. Receive alert notifications, which is ticked. Alarm management, motion detection. As I mentioned, I have it off at the moment. I'll turn it on when I mount it. Image settings, night vision mode. You have 3 options. Device share, installation guide, location management, time settings, sound settings, microphone recording voice, that's on, video encryption, chime settings, voice message. So here you could record your own message. AI, So you need to pay for that. Battery management, cloud storage service. Let's have a look at this. Amazon Echo, you can link it with that. Google Home, reset device and delete device. Nice simple app. I have used a similar app like this before when I reviewed another doorbell. It's a nice basic app. I really like apps like this that have a nice simple layout. So even if you don't know a lot about technology, you won't get lost within this app. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Can you hear me properly?
Yeah, I can hear you properly.
Okay, step back a bit, please. Overall, in my opinion, this is a great little product. This, for the price, you can't go wrong. They also sell the XTU J10, and as that was so popular, they decided to make the XTU J10 Plus with a higher resolution, 2.7K. It has free cloud storage. I like the siren. I also really like how quick the motion detection works. As soon as it picks up motion, it pushes you notifications straight away. I like the fact that you could buy extra chimes. That way you don't have to just have one plugged in. You could have 2, 3 on different floors if you want. It has good image quality. Apologies, the image I showed you now, I don't know how well it will come off on camera because it was really sunny today, and I've been trying to record this for a while, and my son's been working, so he only had time now, and I didn't want to show you it where there's a lot of sun and you wouldn't be able to see his image properly. Even though he had a mask on, you could still see that there's someone at the door. Audio video sync work perfect. He could hear me, I could hear him. There was no delay. Really like this app. It's simple to use. So if you're not used to using a lot of apps, you won't get lost in this app, because I review a lot of products and I think it's important to mention the app, because some of the apps, they have ads in them or they have a lot of sub menus. With this, it's simple. Everything is set on the front page. You click on the bell and then everything is presented to you there nicely. If you want to pick it up or know more about it, check the link out in the description box below. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.